very democratic. आमगे हुकुमशाही ना. Within my party, I have been given. I can express my view. We are not the Bharatiya Janata Party. Now, if someone speaks on me, I will speak back on that particular person. Now, I think our president belongs to the Congress Party. He is working for the Congress Party. Everyone knows how he is working for the Congress Party. So, I think it's better that the party president clarifies on this particular issue.
But as a lobby आणि त्या पार्टीतल्यान तुम्ही निवडून इल्या म्हणून तुमका
तुमचं leader
की तुम्ही त्यांना डिफेंड करचे
तुमचे लीडर
हांव कितें माय आनी कितें फार्माना definitely he is our party president.
party leader.
And our party president is capable enough to defend himself. He's been defending the party for 4 years. So definitely, you see, what Congress party is a party that has democratic values. Congress party is a party that has to take all the parties along. So Mode, if the ultimate issue is that we have to take everyone along. We are the principal. One second, let me finish. We are the principal opposition party. If we are the parents, we have to take the children, we have to take the grandchildren together. We have to take them together with us. Sometimes even when you speak sometimes to your parents might not like it. But that the parent takes everyone along. It is our duty in the interest of Goa. Goa is our mother. We have to protect our mother.
युरी बाब तो आपल्या डिफेंड करतलो म्हणतो तो पण तू त्यांचा लीडर म्हणून तुवें कंडेम केला.
Sorry. प्रश्न कितें आहा मरे? Don't put words in my mouth. Okay. What I am trying to say is that तुम्ही opposition united मु जाय तुमकां हांव नाका. गोंयांत united opposition जाय नाका.
ना या तुम्ही आमकां प्रश्न विचारता सेम तुम्ही आरजीपी प्रेसिडेंटा विचारप न्ही
ते हांवें कितें उलयलां आरजीपी प्रेसिडेंटाक कितें उलयलां हांव कितें तें I will not put it out. My thing is we have a president who is working for the people of Goa. We have a president who is working for the Congress party. It is my role as leader of opposition or whatever if we have differences to sort it out. Ani lamच्या लांब कोण fight na. This is not going to take us anywhere. It is in the interest of Goa. We are Goans first. Let Goans unite first.
अलायन्स दिसतलो तुमचो
Across party
बाय
lines.
इलेक्शनाक अलायन्स दिसतलो तुमचो फोंडा बाय इलेक्शन
कालच्या दिसाक हांवें अपील केलां. I have appealed and our desk in charge during our last meeting or the political affairs committee meeting requested me to make an appeal to all political parties in the opposition that we should fight together. It is my role here in the assembly and now he requested me to speak and make sure that unitedly we should go. So that is what I have been doing and I made an open yesterday as well. I made an open communication to all other political parties that we should single-handedly make sure that the BJP goes home. BJP should go home. All of us are fighting maybe with each other. But I will tell you that at the end of it, Goans are watching. I am not the type of a person Bujeri जायताना हातोर मारपाचो प्रयत्न करा. I do not react like that. हांवें हें जायत चोयलां आनी हें सगळें जें एक म्हाका दिसता फॅक्च्युअली रियलिटी तुमकां दिसता की जेन्ना तुमी सांगता युनायटेड ऑपोजिशन आसतलें काय कितें सेशना होणें आनी जेन्ना सेशन मागीर at the end of it, I always make a comment that I thank all the political parties. I will not say this political party has done this, other political party has done this. We should, within the opposition, unite and unitedly fight this BJP. Other the BJP will take advantage of the situation.